1 Pirate 0 Richards Bay. Now before say ukuthi kakhulu bafowethu lesiqaleni kuMbatha Umbatha i-passing game yakhe is excellent. Umbatha is not becoming the important player for the Pirate. He's not becoming only the key player for the Pirate, but also he's going to be an asset kwi Bafana Bafana as a number 6. Most of the time Umbatha we always psychologically says what is an 8, box to box type of a player. But having Unemtajela as an 8, then put Umbatha as a 6, Umbatha shows a different class as a player. Defensively, he's very, very tactical. He's also good at reading the game. He knows where to defend, how to defend. He wins his duels. He can initiate play and also progressive play. Unama passes akwazi ukubreak ama lines. Umbatha sometimes manje he can delay the ball and wait for a right moment to make a right pass. Most of his passes are breaking lines. So Umbatha has improved a lot as a player. So we need ukuthi imshayele izandla umuntu onjalo. Not only yena kuphela, uNdaba as a fullback also has a new game yakhe with leaps and bounds. Defensively, he has something to offer as a fullback. He knows ukuthi it is duty to make sure ukuthi ama wingers, the opponent, are whip in ama cross into in front of goal. He has a good cover. A recovery, I mean. He has a good recovery in a pace. And Mabek Atekwa, he gives you something because he's always available as an option. Not only that, he adds into the box that in one of these next coming games, Kutiundaba uscored the way he are active in a corner, down the line, and also tucking in, making a box entries. So those are two players who have improved a lot la Pogwe Pirate. Sibukeke uma ngabe iPirates eqala uwin igame masiqala ukuphuta iRichards Bay in 10 minutes to 45 minutes ibhola ibaphuta ngokuthi ubhodlela nombokazi lapha emuva bathi ukuhlehla kancane mase kuvela uchain and uchain ubanikeza numerical advantage ukuthi uma bethi baya press umhango benomuthizo bangakhona ukuthola ibhola because every time they closing into ubhodlela he will play umbokazi. If they close into umbokazi albuyisela back uchain. If they force to chain, Umbatha comes through and then receive a ball and then attend and start breaking lines from Lapo, initiative play here Pambil. So Pirates was very, very dangerous from 10 minutes to 45 minutes. I was hoping they was going to score a lot of goals, but Richards Bay was also brilliant defensively because they saw Uti Pirates wanted to break them in the middle. So they made sure that midfielder corner because we were 8-2 namhlanje no 6 so bavele bayaflat amachita oyi3 aflat amachita oyi3 phambi kwe defense. So basebeba nama lines awu2 at defense and making sure they close in those spaces because lama half spaces who police is very, very brilliant in playing in those half spaces, and Umbule also is the same player who can play on those half spaces with the Laoma passes, nama dummies and everything. Creatively they knew Uti Pirate can play in those spaces, so they made sure Uti Bias Vala the space to force the Pirate to go wide. But that's when umdlalo onjengano Moremi wide eba important, and also if he tucks in umdlalo ofana noNdaba was very, very important. Ngikhuluma nge-left wing Orlando Pirates, but on the right also Ryan was giving us the same thing because all the time Police was tucking in, allowing Tino Van Ryan to run down the line. So that was the strategy to Orlando Pirates. But if you Pirates idlala, you want to break our lines in the middle and also using our wing plays to actually try and play behind the defense. It's not only 2 games. There's always a third game that they play within those 2 games, breaking through the lines or wing play, and also within the build-up phase. If you are content enough to actually make sure that defensively you are alert in terms of these two game plan, breaking the lines and wing play. Upon the build-up phase, they can play those long diagonal balls, and they will hurt you with those because they will circulate the ball so much that you will get used to the fact that they are playing short passing game, and the lama triangles, they're moving with these triangles going forward. So you think that they will move with those same triangles throughout the game yonke to the final third. But sometimes that's not the case because they are good passers of the ball. Ama short passes, ama long range passes, all of them are good passers of the ball. So once you try and press them or attack them, that's where they are free to actually look up and see ama runs enziwa phambili, and that's when those diagonal balls comes in, and they are very, very dangerous, and it's hard to defend them because they attack with pacey players abanespeed abafana noMoremi, uApolisi, uMbuthuma, sometimes kubo uMahopa. So it is very, very hard to track them once they play those long diagonal balls, because i-pace aba-attack ngayo is explosive, and that's how Richards Bay was hurt. They were alert tactically in terms of nama games awu-2 ePirates ukubreaka ama-lines through ama-combination playing, ama-triangles, okanye baye kuma-winging and then try to play behind the defense. Richards Bay was tactically sound in terms of defending those two games or game plan or strategies of Orlando Pirates. But when it comes to diagonal balls, that's when they got hurt. Coming to the second half, Richards Bay came back with how they started the game, because they started the game as being the aggressor to iPirates. But when the second half, they come back with the same aggression, and the very first minute with the second half, they almost punished the Pirates. Unfortunately, Belipes Wipal. But the way baby aggressive in the corner second half, they actually forced the Pirates to actually sit back and wait for them. But you should know that you cannot break the Pirates. If they resort to actually sit back and watch you play, there's no way you're gonna break them. That's the strategy they use to beat a big team, or a good ball playing team like Mamelodi Sundowns, and that's how they played with Africa until Bazofia with semi-final last season. So when it comes to them playing under pressure, playing without the ball, they are masters of that game. When it comes to defense, the Pirates is invincible. And also when they attack, they're flying high like birds. So they are good defensively, they are good offensively. The only way to beat the Pirates is to make sure that they don't score. And then you'll resort to a draw, because it's very, very hard to score against the Pirates. Like I've said, if you got a point this season with Pirates, utingohlabela amadlozi bethu ubonga abadala okanye uyokhuleka esontweni ubonga umdala ukuthi kahle kahle uthola iphuzu iPirates. Congratulations to iPirates, they are on to the final in the next one. We are hoping they're going to continue with the same run, even with Betway Premiership. Hard luck with Richards Bay. I'm hoping that with that beautiful display of football they showed namhlanje against the Pirates, they will take that and translate it to Betway Premiership to make sure that they run and end up and end the season top 8. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. My name is Sipho Ndlovu. I'm on a new space njengamanje, and I'm hoping that we're going to have a blast. We're going to look like this at least until the end of the year, maybe. But this is it. Please do subscribe, like, and share our work. We love you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.